हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 8 का माई इंग्लिश बुक 8 4.4 द अनसिंकेबल शिप इस सीजन के इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ए, फाइंड एनी 6 वर्ड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट दैट हैव सफिक्सेस, अंडरलाइन द सफिक्स इन ईच ऑफ देम। सो देखो, कंफर्टेबल, अनसिंकेबल, डायरेक्शन, क्विकली, स्लोली, सडनली। अंडर किए गए सभी सफिक्स है। B question. Two words may combine to form a new word with a change meaning. Such words are called compound words in English. For example, every and thing, everything. Some of them have a hyphen. For example, life skills. From find 4 to 5 compound word from the text. टेक्स्ट में से 4 to 5 कंपाउंड वर्ड हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं। तो देखो, डिनिंग रूम, डिनिंग प्लस रूम, लाइव बोट, लाइव प्लस बोट, आइसबर्ग, आइसबर्ग, समथिंग, सम प्लस थिंग, एवरीथिंग, एवरी प्लस वन, एवरीवन, एवरी प्लस वन, नथिंग, नो थिंग, मीनवाइल, मीन प्लस वाइल, आइस कोल्ड, आइस प्लस कोल्ड। क्वेश्चन 2 ए, रीड द टेक्स्ट एंड आंसर। उसमें ए, व्हाट डज द वर्ड टाइटैनिक मीन? Answer, Titanic means hug. How many passengers did Titanic carry? The Titanic carried more than 2,000 passengers. Why were the passengers on Titanic proud? Because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. Why did people call Titanic an unsinkable ship? Answer, because they thought that it could never sink. E question, what did Carpathia's crew find? Answer, they found urgent messengers of the Titanic asking for help. Who was the direction of the film based on the Titanic? Midden Oyage. Answer, James Cameron. Where did the scientists find Titanic? At the depth of 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet on the ocean floor. Question B, discuss in group of 4 and find out. A, reasons for sinking of Titanic. Captain Smith tried hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the side of the ship scratched deep against the mountain of ice. A shore of ice fell on the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks of the ship, so the Titanic began to sink. B question, effects of the sinking of Titanic. तो यह है उसका आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Question number 3, read and find words related to sea and arrange the alphabetically. So ये alphabetically order अरेंज दी गई है यहाँ पे। देखो आंसर है यहाँ पे। Question 4a, she was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Here the Titanic is compared with the building of 15 stories. You know what when comparison is made between two objects of different kinds. It is called smiley. A smiley is introduced by the word as dot dot as or like. Frame 5 of your own sentence using construction as dot dot as. हमें हमारी construction से as dot dot as means 2 word का comparison करके smiley यहाँ पे 5 sentence write down करने हैं। आंसर है देखो, he is as brave as a lion. He is as timid as a rabbit. She is as funny as a joker. The shopkeeper is as cunning as a fox. I am as busy as a bee. The gentlemen look at Nobel as a knight. Ramesh is as strong as an ox. The old man is as firm as a rock. I feel as fresh as flower. My skin is as soft as butter.
The Carpathia was too late to save them. Write three sentences of your own using the following construction .2 आंसर दिया है यहाँ पे देखो.
Question 5. Read again from 5th paragraph. Then came the might of 14th April up to 12th paragraph. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Make the most important point. Using the point, make a summary of incident in your own words using short, simple sentence. Write out the summary to 12 to 15 lines. इस पैराग्राफ की हमें 12 to 15 लाइन्स में समरी राइट आउट करनी है. तो देखो यहाँ पे आंसर है. नेक्स्ट पेज पे भी है यहाँ तक. ओके, अभी हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. ये लैंग्वेज स्टडी है. इसमें देखो सिंपल सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कैसे पहचाने जाते हैं इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है. आपको ये एक बार ये रीड कर लेनी है. ये बेस्ड जो क्वेश्चन है वो हम देखेंगे. से वेदर द फॉलोइंग आर सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स और कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. दे फेल्ट सेफ. आंसर सिंपल सेंटेंस. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby. Complex sentence है. He fought hard to steer, but the ship changed direction slowly. यह compound sentence है. Most passengers heard nothing and they
slept on.
Compound sentence है. The crew lowered the lifeboats. Simple sentence है. They asked them why ship carry such a few lifeboats. तो ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है. क्वेश्चन 3. फाइंड फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ईच सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. सभी के हमें 2 एग्जाम्पल्स राइट डाउन करने हैं. फर्स्ट है सिंपल सेंटेंस. द वर्ड टाइटैनिक मीन्स हग. एवरीवन कॉल्ड द टाइटैनिक फाइनेस्ट शिप इन द वर्ल्ड. Complex sentence example है. Everyone thought that the Titanic never sank. It was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats to carry everyone on board. Compound sentence है. The sky was clear and the sea was clean. The Carpathia was far away and the she looked over 3 hours to reach the Titanic. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.